Hello and welcome back. My name is Jaman Bawa, and today we will learn something very practical. We will learn how to order food in German. Imagine you are sitting in a restaurant in Germany. The waiter comes to your table. What do you say? Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to order food confidently in German. Let's start. When the waiter arrives, Germans usually say Guten Tag. You can also say Hallo. Now you want to see the menu. In German, you say, Kann is die Speisekarte bekommen? It means, can I have the menu? Listen again. Kann is die Speisekarte bekommen? Now you try. Excellent. Let's order a drink. You say, Ich möchte ein Wasser. It means, I would like a water. Repeat. Ich möchte ein Wasser. Good. Another example. Ich möchte einen Kaffee. Repeat. Ich möchte einen Kaffee. Perfect. Now the waiter asks, Was möchten Sie bestellen? That means, what would you like to order? You can answer, Ich nehme die Pizza. Repeat. Ich nehme die Pizza. Another example. Ich nehme einen Salat. Repeat. Ich nehme einen Salat. And if you want to order a pasta, you can ask, Ich möchte die Pasta. It means I would like the pasta. Germans are polite, always add bitter. Example, Ich möchte eine super bitter. Repeat, Ich möchte eine super bitter. The waiter might ask, noch etwas. That means anything else. You can say Nein danke or Ja bitte. That means no thank you or yes please. After eating you want to pay. You say Die Rechnung bitte. That means the bill please. Repeat Die Rechnung bitte. The waiter says Das marks 20 Euro. Means that will be 20 euros. You can reply mit Karte bitte, meaning by card please. Repeat mit Karte bitte. Or you can say bar bitte, meaning cash please. Now we will practice a real restaurant conversation. Just listen carefully first. First, you greet the waiter. You say Guten Tag. Next, you ask for the menu. You say Kann ist die Speisekarte bekommen? Now you order a drink. You say, Ich möchte ein Wasser. Now you order food. You say, Ich nehme die Pizza bitte. The waiter asks if you want anything else. Your answer, Nein danke or Ja bitte. After eating, you ask for the bill. You say, Die Rechnung bitte. And now you want to pay. You say, Mit Karte bitte. Great job today. Now you can order food in German with confidence. In the next lesson, we will learn how to speak German in a supermarket. So don't miss it. And please subscribe German Bauer. Bis bald. Tschüss.